Hi guys, yeah, good. Let's continue learning Chalosoft system. In the last video, remember we have talked about how to add a product or other product entry. We have seen how to add the product. Hope you had understood how to add a product. We have also talked about supplier. We have talked about how to add a new supplier, how to edit a supplier, and how to delete the supplier. Now, in this video, I want us to talk about raw materials or uh, products which are purchased and processed, or in our case, let's say those which are purchased, cooked, or purchased raw, then they are cooked so that they get ready to be sold. So, before we proceed, I want to remind you to subscribe, share, comment, so that you can continue receiving updates on recent Chalosoft system. Now, let's go to uh, products. To enter product, you click add product, you enter the product name, select category, select subcategory or description. More subcategories can be added by clicking the plus sign. Purchase price, retail price, wholesale price, reorder level, expiry date if available, pack size if available. On an item system, click Save. For items system, choose the tax code as stipulated, then click Items Save. Let's go to the system so that you can see how to add a raw material in the system. Uh, this is the system. This is the raw materials where you should add your product. Let's come here to do it now physically. You can see there is the product code. So the product I'll add here will have a product code of P0200. So the product name, let's say the product name will be, uh, uh, let's say tilapia. So we have the tilapia. This is the product name. We have the category. Category in our case, because I've told you I will be giving you an example based on restaurant. So in our restaurant, it has got two categories. We can purchase items or we can have items for catering or items to use in the restaurant. So let's say tilapia to be used in the restaurant. So we have selected the restaurant. We can have a description. We can say tilapia 400 grams. The tilapia that has got the 400 grams and above. So we say 400 grams. And that's the description of our product. We come here and select the supplier. You can click here to select from the list or add here. Let's select from the list. We can say uh, our supplier for the tilapia is Jeremiah. You come here to the unit and click on the unit. They can be either days, dozen, fuel, general, kg, liters, packets, packs, or pieces. This one you select according to the product. So tilapia can be in terms of pieces. So we select pieces. We select also the price that we are going to buy the product. This is the purchase price of the product that we have uh, named here. So our price, you can see it's like 300. That's the purchase price of our product. We have the reorder point. The reorder point is a point, it's a minimum point where at that level you are supposed to want or to order more items from the supplier you have selected here. So we can say our reorder point is 2. This means when our tilapia comes or are 2 or 1, we are supposed to order more so that they are not sold as nothing. So after that, we come here to enter the opening stock information or the available stock or the current available stock in the store. So we select the store and you see the storeroom, the ones that are available in the storeroom, and we add the quantity which are available in the storeroom. We can add, like for example, 10. After adding, we come here and add to grid at this point. Then we click add to grid. After adding to grid, we come here and click save. That way we have added a product or a raw material in our system. Uh, let's go to the next step. Let's go to the next step, which is how to edit a product. On how to edit a product, you click add a product, you click get data, you search or you can search by product name and click the items to edit. For non-items system, click update. For item system, choose the tax code as stipulated, then click items update. So let's go to the system to show you where to edit a supplier or a product. Sorry, how to edit a product or a raw material. You come here to a system and click a raw material. Then you click get data. Yes, on my system you can see I don't have the right to get data. So let me use another way so that you can see how to get data so that you can edit a product from the system. So before we proceed, we'll also check on how to delete a product so that you can delete a product from the stock or from the catering. Let me show you how to edit a product so that you can edit. To edit a product, uh, you go to the, let me open the system so that you can see how to edit. Uh, in this in this case, you come here to the system, and this is the system. Then now I think we can edit the product. You go to the materials, you go to get data. You can see these are my data. We can select the one that we have saved. We can select tilapia. Let's select tilapia. On tilapia, now you can edit. You can edit, for example, supplier. We can edit supplier. We can edit also pieces. We can edit anything. So after editing, you come here and click update. You come here, you come here after you have edited what you wanted to edit, and then you click update. In that way, you will have saved, or you will have updated your product. To delete, let me show you how to delete a product. To delete a product, you click add product, or you search by product name and click the item to delete, then click delete. If item is not able to delete, select deactivate on item status and click update. Let's go to the system so that you can see how to do it in the system. This is the system. So once you come to the system, you just come to the raw materials, click get data, you select the item. For example, let's select banana, then you click delete, and that way you will have deleted your product from the restaurant or from the catering. And that way you will have deleted your product from the products available in the system. I would just want to remind you to subscribe, like, share, comment, so that you can continue, or you can continue receiving updates on Chalosoft systems. I've told you this is the best system I've ever come across. So just like, subscribe, uh, and install. Just call the number that I have placed in the first first video, so that if you have a business, either a hotel or school or hospital, it's working very well. So kindly, if you have, or you have your friend who has got such a business, you can tell him or her that there's a good system somewhere. I assure that it's a very good system. We Once, as we continue, we see the how it works well, the complete system. I will even provide a video, or have a video of the whole system, how it is working. I love even the category. I categorize into the human resource, the banking, accounting, it's just everything. It's self-contained system. So, uh, kindly, for now, subscribe, share, comment. Having a client, tell him or her that there's a good system somewhere, and once he or she contacts the number that I've placed in the first video, you will have the system installed and have a little time to manage his or her business. Okay, that's all. Bye. Let's meet in the next video.